and illuminating this evening with the light of wisdom, hope, and renewal. The glowing flame before us stands as a powerful reminder that knowledge dispels darkness and that every new beginning is born from light. May this light guide our thoughts, strengthen our resolve, and lead us towards a future filled with purpose and promise.
With hearts filled with gratitude, we now move forward into an evening of celebrating talent, transformation, and the radiant spirit of Renashita. Every meaningful journey begins with a warm welcome, and every vision finds its voice through inspired leadership. Reverend Sister Shruti, our principal, is the guiding light of this institution, a leader who believes in nurturing minds, shaping character, and empowering every child to rise stronger with confidence and purpose. Through dedication, our school continues its journey of growth, transformation, and excellence. I now humbly invite our respected principal, Reverend Sister Shruti, onto the dais to deliver the welcome address. Sister, please.
And grace-filled evening and hearty welcome to all. Aditi Devo Bhava. In Indian culture, the presence of an esteemed guest is considered equivalent to God's presence. Honorable Chief Guest Sri George Puliken, Guest of Honor Reverend Sister Aarthi Thottathil, Special Guest Reverend Father Varghese Parindirigal, respected dignitaries Mrs. Reena Sabu and Mr. Pradeep Pillai, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, distinguished guests, and respected parents. It gives me immense joy and pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the school management, staff, and students on this auspicious occasion of annual day celebration of our school, Renashita 2026. A day when the students are anxiously waiting to showcase their talents and achievements in academics and sports with awards to their beloved parents and dignitaries. Your gracious presence will definitely boost the morale and creativity of our students. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our Chief Guest, Sri George Puliken, a distinguished media professional whose long and dedicated service in journalism stands as an inspiration to the society, especially to the young generation. In fact, he does not require any introduction as he is a well-known personality. Sri George Puliken is a distinguished journalist, writer, trainer, and media personality with over 32 years of experience in journalism. He has in his credit 14 years of meritorious service with the Mathrubhumi Daily and later with leading news channels such as Manorama News, India Vision, Mathrubhumi News, and Asianet News. He also has over 35 years of experience as a trainer, conducting sessions for teachers, parents, youth, and students, and has also served as a faculty member in journalism institutes and colleges. He is the author of 11 satirical books published by reputed publishers and has acted in 2 films, namely Padinettam Padi and Stand Up. He has received 25 awards, including the prestigious award Asia Vision Media Award from a Dubai-based company called Asia Vision Media, in recognition of his valuable contributions to media and literature. He is widely known as the anchor for satirical programs on politics such as Politrix, Dim Tarigadathom, and Chitram Vichitram. He currently runs a YouTube channel called Puliken Talks. Sir, your presence today adds gaiety and enthusiasm to this celebration. We extend to you a warm and hearty welcome. At this moment, I have the honor to extend a floral welcome to our esteemed chief guest. I invite Michelle Sinoi of class UKG to present a bouquet to our respected chief guest. I am happy to extend a respectful and loving welcome to our guest of honor, Reverend Sister Aarthi Thottathil, the Provincial Superior of St. Blaise Province, Dehradun, and the president of Serafina Educational Society, which owns and runs this institution. She is an experienced educationist, served as principal, vice principal, and teacher in many esteemed institutions of ours in North India. Her visionary leadership, guidance, and constant encouragement strengthen our mission of education. Sister, we are truly blessed with your presence among us this evening. I now invite Ashera Philomen Sakaria of UKG to offer a bouquet to our esteemed guest of honor, Reverend Sister Aarti. We are grateful to have with us our special guest, Reverend Father Varghese Parindirikal, Parish Priest of St. Anthony's Pilgrim Church, Chengalam, whose pastoral care and spiritual support continue to be a source of strength for our institution. Reverend Father is a well-known administrator with significant contribution to religious and educational institutions of the Diocese of Kanyarapalli. He has held several key administrative and managerial positions within the educational sector under the Diocesan Education Trust. He has also served as the manager of Amal Jyoti College of Engineering and the founder manager of St. Dominic College of Law, Kanyarapalli, during which Reverend Father has received the Best Manager Award. Father, we warmly welcome you. I invite Dakshina Ravi of UKG to present a bouquet to our special guest, Reverend Father George Parindirikal. I also extend a cordial welcome to our esteemed guest of the day, Mrs. Reena Sabu, the newly elected member of Agalakunnam Gram Panchayat. She is always available for us to support and encourage us. Ma'am, your presence is greatly appreciated and we wish you every success in all your endeavors and we warmly welcome you to this function. May I also invite Ida Rose Tinu of class UKG to present the bouquet to our respected Ma'am Reena Sabu. I am happy to welcome Mr. Pradeep Pillai, PTA President of our school, who takes keen interest in the development of the school and always available and ready to render his service to the school. Sir, your cooperation and support play a vital role in the growth and vitality of our school. We extend a hearty welcome to you, sir. I now invite Ghada Krishnan to present a bouquet to Mr. Pradeep Pillai. A special word of welcome to Reverend Father Nobi Vellapalli, Assistant Vicar of St. Anthony's Church, Chengalam, Reverend Sister Sebastina Volikil, the Regional Coordinator, Reverend Sister Sonia, the Province Bursar, Reverend Sister Preeti, the Manager, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, PTA Executive Members, Management Committee Members, Special Invitees, Parents and Benefactors. Your presence here today reflects your love, trust and continued support for our institution, for which we are deeply thankful. Dear students, today is your day, as this special day is a tribute to your creativity, discipline, perseverance and teamwork. May this platform encourage you to dream big, work hard and shine bright in all that you do. Once again, I extend a warm and hearty welcome to everyone gathered here. May this annual day celebration be a joyful experience filled with inspiration, cultural richness, and cherished memories for all present. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your warm and gentle words of welcome. Your words have set a meaningful tone for today's celebration. We are grateful for your guidance and leadership. Every celebration begins by seeking divine blessings. As we embrace the spirit of Renashita, renewal of hope and purpose, we now offer a prayer through movement, which has the power to speak where words fall silent. Through this prayer dance, our students invoke blessings and guidance as we dedicate this evening to higher values and noble intentions. I now invite our students to present the prayer dance and seek the blessings of Almighty.
അവദാനം പാടി സ്വർഗീയ താളങ്ങൾ തേടി ഞാൻ ജീവന്റെ നമ്പുരു നീട്ടി കന്യാസുതനെ നിമ്മിര തഴുകി കന്യാസുതനെ നിമ്മിര തഴുകി പാടാത്ത വീണകൾ ശ്രീ യേശുവിനവദാനം പാടി സുവിശേഷം ആയിരം കീർത്തനമാറിയാതെ മാനസമിന്നൊരു സ്നേഹ സരോവരമായി ഇന്ദോളരാജാഗ്രനായ ശ്രീ യേശുവിനവദാനം പാടി സഗമദനി ഹിന്ദോള സഗമദ മഗ ഗമദ നിരമ സഗമദനി ഹിന്ദോള സഗമദനി ഹിന്ദോള രാഗ ശ്രീ